Good morning, children. Always be enthusiastic in learning. Children, last class we have learnt about the differences between metals and non-metals. Say some differences. Yes, good. First one. Metals are lustrous, non-metals are non-lustrous. They are good conductors of heat and electricity. Non-metals are bad conductors of heat and electricity. Metals are ductile, non-metals are non-ductile. Metals are sonorous, non-metals are not sonorous. Children, now we can see the reactions and their equations. We can see the chemical reactions and their equations. First one, iron and copper sulfate. Iron reacts with copper sulfate solution. Iron reacts with copper sulfate solution to form ferrous sulfate solution. To form ferrous sulfate solution and copper. What's the first reaction? Iron reacts with copper sulfate solution and to form ferrous sulfate solution and copper. Second reaction, copper and ferrous sulfate. When copper is added with ferrous sulfate solution, no reaction takes place. Copper, Cu, ferrous sulfate, FeSO4. Yes. When copper reacts with or added with ferrous sulfate solution, no reaction takes place. Third one, magnesium and zinc sulfate. Magnesium and zinc sulfate. Magnesium reacts with zinc sulfate. Magnesium reacts with zinc sulfate and to form magnesium sulfate. A magnesium sulfate. Magnesium sulfate. Magnesium sulfate and zinc. Then fourth reaction, zinc and magnesium sulfate. When the zinc is added with magnesium sulfate solution, no reaction takes place. Zinc reacts with magnesium sulfate. No reaction takes place. Yes, children, let us pass on to the uses of metals and non-metals. First, we have to learn about uses of metals. Yes, name some metals. Iron, good. Copper, good. Aluminium, good. Yes, children, first we can take iron. We can take iron. Wrought. Wrought iron. What is wrought? Hammered and shaped. What is wrought? Hammered and shaped. The purest form of iron, the purest form of iron is used to make furniture. The purest form of iron is used to make furniture. Listen, all of you see that this is iron. The next one, steel. What is steel? An alloy of iron. An alloy of iron. What is alloy? It is the mixture of iron and carbon. Steel, an alloy of iron, is used in the construction of buildings, bridges. Yes, what is steel? It is an alloy of iron. It is used in the construction of buildings, bridges, and factory equipments. Children, look at this steel. Yes, third one, stainless steel. Third one, stainless steel. What is stainless steel? It is another type of which one? Iron. It is very strong and corrosion resistant. It is very strong and corrosion resistant. Stainless steel. Yes. See the stainless steel? It's very strong. This metal is very strong. Then next point, this stainless steel is used to make utensils and surgical instruments. Utensils and surgical instruments. What is utensils? Utensils means what? Vessels. Surgical instruments what? Medical instruments. Next metal, aluminium. Yes, aluminium is lightweight and a very good conductor of electricity. Aluminium is lightweight and it is a very good conductor of electricity. And it is also used to make high voltage. This aluminium is used to make high voltage electric wires. What's aluminium? Aluminium is lightweight and a good conductor of electricity as well as which one? Heat. Then next point, it is used to make high voltage electric wires. It's alloys. It's alloys. Listen children, it's alloys. What is alloys? Such as duralumin and magnesium. Third point, it's alloys. What are the alloys? The alloys, duralumin and magnesium. What is duralumin? The duralumin is made up of aluminium, magnesium, manganese, copper. It's used to make pressure cooker. What is this? This is made up of aluminium, magnesium, manganese, copper. And it is used to make pressure cooker. See the pressure cooker. Next one, magnesium. What is this magnesium? It is made up of aluminium and magnesium. It is used to make scientific instruments. And next one, this aluminium is also used to make the bodies and engine parts of aircrafts. What is aircrafts? Jet plane, helicopter, then rockets, etc. and automobiles. Listen children, what is aluminium? Being aluminium is lightweight and a good conductor of electricity, it is used to make high voltage electric wires. Its alloys such as duralumin and magnesium. What is duralumin? It is made up of aluminium, magnesium, manganese and copper. It is used to make which one? Pressure cooker. Then what? Next one what? Magnesium. It is made up of which one? Aluminium and magnesium. It is used to make scientific instrument. Next point, the aluminium is used to make the bodies of aircrafts and which one? Automobiles. Yes, the aluminium is also used for making aluminium foils. What is foils? Thin sheets and cooking utensils. The next one, copper. Since copper is a good conductor of electricity, It is used in electrical wires. It is used in electrical wires and cables. What is cables? A thick, strong. It is a thick, strong metal rope. What is cables? It is a thick, strong metal rope. What's the first point? Since copper is a good conductor of electricity, it is used in electrical wires and cables and in components of electrical switches. And in components of electrical switches. Components of electrical switches. First point. Second point, copper coils are used in electrical motors. What's the second point? Copper coils are used in electrical motors and transformers. Yes, third point, since copper is a good conductor of heat, it is also used to make the bottom of stainless steel vessel. Stainless steel vessel. Children, see the bottom of stainless steel vessel. You can see the copper. Then this is copper vessel. Copper wire. Yes. Next metal is zinc. Next metal is what? Zinc. Yes. It is used to make corrosion resistant. It is used to make corrosion resistant pipes because the zinc is used to make corrosion resistant galvanized iron. Yes. Zinc is used to make corrosion resistant galvanized iron. What is galvanized iron? Zinc is deposited on iron surface to prevent that rusting. What is galvanized iron? Zinc is deposited on iron surface to prevent them from rusting. Galvanized iron. Gi. Again listen children. Zinc is used to make corrosion resistant galvanized iron. Gi, pipes and sheets. Pipes and sheets. Next point. Zinc is also used an electrode in Ricel. Zinc is also used as an electrode in Ricel. What is electrode? A conductor through which electricity passes into and out of an object. What is electrode? It is a conductor through which electricity passes into or out of an object. Some other metals are gold and silver. Yes. What is gold? Is gold. Then silver. Yes. Gold and silver are used to make jewelry. The next one, lead. The lead is used to make electrode of lead batteries. Listen children, lead is used to make electrode of lead storage batteries and is used in automobiles and inverters. Listen children, what is lead? Lead is used to make electrode of lead storage batteries and is used in automobiles and inverters. The next one, chromium. Yes. What is chromium? The chromium is used to electroplate iron. It is used to make electroplate iron. Electroplate iron to give it a shiny corrosion resistant finish. Chromium, listen children, chromium is used to make electroplate iron which is very shine and corrosion resistant. Then chromium is also when the chromium is deposited on iron, it looks very shiny. Chromium is deposited on iron, it looks what? Very shiny. That we can say that electroplate. Then nickel. Nickel is a metal. Is the strings of the guitar. Listen, the strings of the guitar. The strings of the guitar are made up of nickel with steel.